afternoon for some part of the world. So today I would like to review this broker, Light Finance. So in the logo we see that 18 years the broker is operating 18 years and start earning today, trade with a trustworthy broker chosen by millions. So review natin dito sa taas. Ayan, as I said kanina, 18 years na ang Light Finance. Ayan. So, global traded value as a top broker for transparency, reliability, advantageous conditions, and user-friendly trading platform. Trade in currencies. So, sa currencies lang tayo. Forex. Yan. So, around 1.56 million active traders. So, dun sa group na sinalihan ko is nasa 500. So, dun sa group na 500, kasama yan dito sa 1.56 million traders around the world or around the globe. So, average daily trading volume of 12,066 billion. So, pwedeng trustworthy yung broker. So, syempre, sa atin na nandito na sa Light Finance, syempre yung withdrawal, yun talaga yung basis natin para masabing legit talaga ang broker. So, sa ngayon, ito yung mga review natin. Meron tayo 1.56 million. At 18 years na yung market since 2005. Let's go!